In an ancient kingdom where wisdom was valued more than gold, there lived a quiet boy named Naresh. While other children played loudly in the streets, Naresh preferred sitting under a banyan tree near the old library. He watched scholars debate, poets recite, and teachers guide their students. Their voices were powerful, but Naresh's own voice felt trapped inside him. Every time he tried speaking to others, his words tangled and fear pushed him back into silence. One evening, the king announced a grand competition. A new royal storyteller will be chosen. Only the one who speaks with clarity, courage, and truth will earn the honor. The entire kingdom buzzed with excitement. Confident speakers began practicing everywhere. Naresh watched them with admiration, yet he felt a small spark inside, a desire he was too afraid to admit. Instead of giving up, Naresh decided to learn in his own way. Every morning he quietly listened to how people spoke, how their voices rose, paused, softened, and grew stronger. He read stories aloud when no one was around. He practiced breathing slowly so his voice wouldn't shake. He whispered words into the wind, as if the sky itself were teaching him. No one saw his efforts, but Naresh was learning, silently, steadily, deeply. Weeks passed. One night, an old sage saw Naresh practicing behind the library. The sage smiled and said, "Young boy, do you know how great speakers are born?" Naresh shook his head. The sage placed a hand on his shoulder and said, "Not on a stage, not in front of a crowd, they are born in silence." Every confident speaker was once a silent learner, just like you. Encouraged, Naresh finally gathered the courage to join the royal competition. When his turn came, his hands trembled, but his heart was calm. He remembered the sage's words, closed his eyes for a moment, and then began speaking. His voice was soft at first, but it carried honesty. Soon it became steady like flowing water, and the entire court listened without blinking. His story touched every person in the hall. When Naresh finished, the king rose from his throne and said, "This boy speaks with clarity and heart. True courage lies not in loudness, but in learning." And that day, Naresh, once the silent boy under a banyan tree, became the royal storyteller. His journey proved to the kingdom that silence is not weakness, it is the beginning of greatness.